plus c. Okay, so now we need to integrate this expression. So first of all we will integrate this one separately, and then we will put the value of integration in this equation. So call this one is number 1. So we need to find integration of sec x into sec square x into dx. Okay, we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So I can write here in root 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. How? અહીંયા છે sec x, આ sec square x એમનેમ છે, અને 1 પ્લસ tan square x એટલે કે sec square x થશે, અને sec square x નું રૂટ એટલે કે sec x થશે. કેમ કે આપણે જો આનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવું હોય તો આપણે tan x ની જગ્યાએ આપણે કોઈ પણ નવો વેરિયેબલ લેશું, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ t, અને સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરશું t ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ tan x, તો sec square x into dx is equal to dt થશે. તો if we let tan x is equal to t, then we will get sec square x into dx that is equal to dt. Okay, so we will get here અહીંયા આવશે 1 plus tan square x that is equal to 1 plus t square in root 1 plus t square into dt, right? So we will get this one is equal to in root 1 plus t square into dt, and we have the ready-made formula to evaluate this one. Okay, so we know that we have the formula for the integration of x square plus s square into dx is equal to, we know that this is the ready-made formula, integration in root x square plus s square into dx, that is equal to x by 2 in root x square plus s square plus s square by 2 log x plus in root x square plus s square. Okay, x in root x square plus s square. Okay, so using this formula we can evaluate this integral. In this case the variable is t, so in respect in the place of x we will put the x here, t here, and a is equal to 1 in this case. Okay, so we will get this one is equal to t by 2 in root 1 plus t square plus 1 by 2 log t plus in root 1 plus t square. Okay, because we have x is equal to t in this case and a is equal to 1 in this case. So this is x by 2, so this is equal to t by 2 in root x square plus s square, that is equal to 1 plus t square plus a square by 2, a is equal to 1, so this is 1 by 2 log x plus x is equal to t plus in root x square plus a square, that is equal to in root 1 plus t square. And by putting t, the value of t in this expression, this equation, we will get the solution. So after all, if we put this value, the t is equal to 10x, so after all I will get this is equal to 10x by 2, and we know that this is 1 plus tan square x, that is equal to sec square x, so I will get this is equal to sec x plus 1/2 log, this is 10x and this is sec x. Okay, so this is the integration of this part. We need to integrate sec x into sec square x, and we need to put this value in equation number 1. તો આપણે જે આન્સર મળ્યો છે એ આન્સર જો આપણે ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1માં અહીંયા મૂકી દેશું એટલે આપણું એ ફાઇનલ સોલ્યુશન થઈ જશે. તો આપણું ફાઇનલ સોલ્યુશન થશે y ઇન્ટુ sec x ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 10x into sec x by 2 plus 1/2 log 10x plus sec x plus c. તો એ આપણો સોલ્યુશન થઈ જશે. તો આ રીતે આપણે લિનિયર ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશનનું સોલ્યુશન મેળવી શકીએ, રાઈટ. તો આ હતું ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5 નો એનો થર્ડ એક્ઝામ્પલ. ઓકે, તો એનું સોલ્યુશન આપણે ફિનિશ કર્યું. તો હવે આપણે મેળવશું ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5b ના એક્ઝામ્પલનું સોલ્યુશન. તો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5b નો ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5 છે એટેમ્પ્ટ એની 2. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5b attempt any 2. Okay, but we are going to solve all of 3 because we are solving this question paper with options. So question number 5b, the first question is solve x square plus y square into dy is equal to 2xy dx. તો આપણે આ ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશનનું સોલ્યુશન કરવાનું છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે વિચારશું કે આ ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન એ કઈ ટાઈપનું ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન છે. તો આપણને ડાયરેક્ટ આઈડિયા આવશે કે અહીંયા x સ્ક્વેર, અહીંયા y સ્ક્વેર, દેટ મીન્સ ધ સમેશન ઓફ degree of x and y is equal to 2 in this term, here 2 is in this term, and here x raised to 1 into y raised to 1, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. So we can solve this differential equation by the method of homogeneous differential equation. So here dy by dx that is equal to 2xy upon x square plus y square. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 2xy upon x square plus y square, and we know that how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. We will take y is equal to x into t, and we will substitute the value of y in this equation, and also will put the value of dy by dx in the terms of t. So let y is equal to x into t. So we will get dy by dx is equal to x into dt by dx plus t. Okay, જો આપણે y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ એક્સ ઇન્ટુ ટી લઈ તો dy બાય dx રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઇડની અંદર મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનના રૂલનો યુઝ થશે. એક્સ એમનમ, એક્સ એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન્ટુ ડિફરન્સિએશન ઓફ ટી, દેટ ઇઝ dt બાય dx પ્લસ t as it is and differentiation of x with respect to x, that is equal to 1. So this is x into dt by dx plus t. So if we put both these values in this equation, then we will get, if we say this is equation number 1, then we will get number 1 implies dy by dx that is equal to x into dt by dx plus t, and this is equal to 2x into y is equal to x into t upon x square plus y square, that is equal to x square t square. Okay, I have put these values in this equation. Here dy by dx that is equal to x into dt by dx plus t, and here 2 into x and y is equal to x into t. Here this is y is equal to x into t upon x square plus y square. Y is equal to x into t, so this is x square plus x square into t square. So we will get this kind of equation by putting the values. So I will get implies x into dt by dx plus t is equal to 2x square t upon x square into bracket 1 plus t square, right? X square will be cancelled, so we will get x into dt by dx is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and this plus t, so I will write here minus t. Okay, and by simplifying this one, we will get, and this is equal to implies x into dt by dx is equal to 2t minus t into 1 plus t square. આપણે LCM લીધો છે અહીંયા, t into 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square implies x into dt by dx is equal to 2t minus t square. Okay, 2t minus t square, okay, upon 1 plus t square. Okay, here again I am going to repeat the example. Here dy by dx is equal to x into dt by dx plus t. આપણે dy by dx ની જગ્યાએ કિંમત મૂકેલી છે x into dt by dx plus t. આપણી પાસે હતું 2xy, તો અહીંયા આપણે લખ્યું 2xy is equal to x into t, so this is 2x into y is equal to x into t. Okay, upon છે x square plus y square, તો x square plus y square is equal to x square t square. તો આપણે અહીંયા x square કોમન લીધા એટલે આવશે 1 plus t square, અને અહીંયા આવશે 2x square t, એટલે after all આપણે અહીંયા વધશે 2t upon 1 plus t square minus t. Okay, અહીંયા x square cancel થશે એટલે આવશે 2t upon 1 plus t square, અને આ પ્લસ ટી આખો આવશે એટલે માઇનસ ટી, સો 2t upon 1 plus t square minus t. તો સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન કરી અને આપને મળશે t 2t minus t into 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. So 2t minus t minus, this is t cube upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so after all we will get this one is equal to t minus t cube upon 1 plus t square. This is equal to x into dt by dx. So we know that this is the this is a variable separable type equation, so we can solve it very easily by using the method of variable separable. Okay, so now onwards આ પછી હું એવું કહેવા માગું છું કે આ એક્ઝામ્પલ છે અહીંયા વેરિયેબલ સેપરેબલ ઇઝીલી થઈ શકે એમ છે, તો આપણે એને વેરિયેબલ સેપરેબલ મેથડથી ઇઝીલી સોલ્વ કરી શકીએ. તો આપણે વેરિયેબલ સેપરેબલ મેથડનો યુઝ કરશું તો આપણને આગળ મળશે this one is equal to x into dt by dx, that is equal to by variable separable we will get 2t upon 1 minus t square into dt is equal to dx by x. Okay, and by solving this one we will get this one is equal to minus log by integrating both sides we will get this one is equal to minus log 1 minus t square is equal, this one is equal to log x, and plus I will take log c. So we will get log x plus log 1 minus t square plus log c is equal to 0. So after all we will get log x into 1 minus t square into c is equal to 0, right? So we will get x into 1 minus t square into c, that is equal to e raised to 0, that is equal to 1, because I am taking anti-log both sides. So x into 1 minus t square into c is equal to 1. So by putting the value of t 1 minus y square upon x square into c, that is equal to 1. This is our final solution. If we want to simplify this expression, this equation, then we can simplify by taking the LCM x square. So we will get x square minus y square upon, this is x square into x, so this is will remain x. So we can solve this we can simplify this equation in this way. So this is the answer of our question number 1 of question 5b. Okay, so now we will quickly move to the question number 2 of question number 5b. So question number 5, second example of question number 5b is second one is solve x plus y plus 1 square dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, so here we need to solve this differential equation. So we know that to solve this equation we need to take x plus y plus 1 is equal to, for example, we need to take t, x plus y plus 1 is equal to t. So we can solve this example very easily. So let x plus y plus 1 is equal to